I am sentences for kids. So let's start. I am happy. I am happy. I am sad. I am sad. I am tired. I am tired. I am hungry. I am hungry. I am sleepy. I am sleepy. I am thirsty. I am thirsty. I am excited. I am excited. I am confused. I am confused. I am surprised. I am surprised. Thanks for